Followers once again, or my subscribers. Last week I made a video and I called it "Is it science or is magic?" So today I'm going to make the same thing and explain how it works. Then we relate it to how we benefit from this kind of reaction. Now I took a chemical over here and I dip another chemical in. Now when I dip it in this one, we all saw that it turned pink. Then I also dip it in the same another chemical, and we saw that nothing happened. Then the two were put together like this. Then when it was put together like this, it turned colorless. Now let us listen to the explanation. Now, before it turned pink, a chemical was added which is known as phenolphthalein. Now, phenolphthalein will turn pink in everything called base. What is a base? A base is a chemical that releases hydrogen or hydroxide ion. So it will always turn pink in a base. Bases are used in soaps. Then it will always turn colorless in an acid. So we saw that the time we went to an acid, it turned colorless. But when I brought it together, it also formed a different solution. Now over here, it is known as salt and water. So this one, scientists call this one neutralization reaction. So in neutralization reaction, acid and the base react together to produce salt and water. So over here, I have my salt and water. So as you can see, the phenolphthalein chemical turned pink in a base and it turned colorless in an acid. So phenolphthalein will always turn pink in the base and turn colorless in an acid. But when the two comes together, salt and water is formed. Then somebody may ask, what is the essence of this experiment? One, in the mouth, always acid is then produced in the mouth. So before we neutralize the acid, we use base. Toothpaste are made of base. So anytime we brush our teeth, the base releases a chemical to neutralize the acid so that it will prevent our teeth from getting cavity. Secondly, when you look at the walls of our stomach, the walls of our stomach also secrete acids. So that is why when you release into the stomach, we feel discomfort, which is indigestion. Now to balance this, we take in milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide, which neutralizes the acid in the stomach. Therefore, we feel relief. In the third one, you can see a soil. So sometimes soil may contain acid. Then when it does that, we therefore use a slip lime or calcium hydroxide, which is a whitish powder. Then when this whitish powder is mixed close to the soil, it then neutralizes the acid content in the soil. Then it balances it. So therefore, we know that acid-base neutralization reaction is applied in real life. Whenever we have indigestion, we take milk of magnesia.